Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iPad mini. So as you see, I already have the iPad mini in my hands, and all you need to do is just go into the settings, then scroll down to the apps section. Then while you're at it, you can click a certain app and give them permissions, or either take the permissions away. I will show you, like maybe Google Chrome. You can click data, mobile data, or this, and just close it or turn it off or on. You can change the language, or maybe you can get the messages permissions like this. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.